We've come a long way in the fight against COVID-19, but new variants of the virus could threaten progress we've made over the past year. So this is a picture of the coronavirus, and you can see on its surface it has this protein we call the spike protein. When you vaccinate somebody, your immune system figures out how to latch on to part of this protein. When the protein changes, so let's say this is the original protein, if it changes its shape, any antibody that's active against this portion of the spike protein will stop working, whereas the antibodies that attack these other parts will continue to work. Now, the virus can't change the spike protein too much because that's how it enters into human cells. And so mostly when this virus miscopies and changes, it's a dead end. That virus doesn't work. But all those copying mistakes, eventually it finds one that's slightly better, that still enters human cells, and that means that the vaccines are somewhat less effective. The good news is that the vaccines we're using today are still very good at preventing severe disease, even from the new variants. However, because these new variants have emerged, following best practices is even more important than ever. The best way to prevent new variants from emerging is by stopping transmission of the virus altogether. If we remain vigilant about social distancing, getting vaccinated, using a mask, we will bring the pandemic to an end much sooner.